Action!
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, we have our next bomb to drop, you know. Yeah, man, in this episode, we have performance highlights from Yellowman over there in Brazil. Yeah, man, we see the General Rock 20,000 strong. We're gonna take a look over there so and see what go on. Also, we have highlights from Masicka. Yeah, man, at the Umbrella Brunch. We're gonna take a look at his performance, see him deal with it, you see me? Yeah, man, we also see Shenseea and Skillibeng in the road. We're gonna take a look over there and see what them are going with. Yeah, man, it's a good look. Also, we have highlights from Areakode, new video out now. Yeah, man, whisper, bad piece of song, people. And nah, man. Also, we have the Gaza team and celebrate after the recent success in them Guyana show. Yeah, man, we're gonna take a look at that and see what I go on this. So, when you don't know if I kick it off with Bleggy, Bleggy say a few encouraging words to the people, you see me? Go through my G.
Get to youths. You see your mind, it's very powerful. So you see whatsoever your mind I tell you, it will feel that way there. If you get up every day and I say people are hold you down and people are obey you, all when nobody now obey you, it will feel that way there. Look upon some youth who never work a day in them life yet, and every day him get up and tell himself I'm rich. Him walk like him rich, him talk like him rich, and him don't have nothing. And eventually, him life just start flourish. And you are doing 9 to 5 every day. And all you speak over your life as struggles. Eh? And you're in a better position than the man here. And I wonder how him life a flourish so. And the mindset to him have, my friend. You hear me tell you? I appreciate what I have to you. Because regular me have all 2 pants and 3 shirts. And 2 of me beat them. It come like me have 15 pants and 15 shirts, youth.
you see the highlights in the family. A King Yellowman that the original king for the dancehall, the first king of dancehall Latino people. Yeah man, him still a rocket till this day, Yeah man, over 50 years in a music Latino people. Is a good look that you know say yo, Yellowman can bring out so much people to his shows, Very, very good look. Yeah man, so now we're gonna look at Masicka's performance there, the Umbrella Brunch. That's a small clip, people. Check it out.
What you say? This just like what you say? That's a dance like. But the kids have to your body, love and they give it. So that you have your body, put it every fucking time you love it, put it.
Alright family, so you see a Masicka performance that at Umbrella Brunch. Yeah man, I look a small snippet, is me? Just to show you, look at highlight our go on. Yeah man, it could have take a little bit more energy in the performance, tell me now like, I don't know, once Masicka put in the energy in the performance, a problems, is me? A shellings, yeah man, and not normal, cause I'm the hot artist right now. I'm one of I match them right now too, you see me? Yeah man, him find the hot song him drop right now, mute. You see it go on with itself at the place, couple forward a bus and thing feet. Check out a little clip here with the Tony Mataran post with it a bus a forward.
Put up on a nice guy. Big up on that warriors guy. Everyone look like one man. Bobby and Chilani Lingo. Tally brave up, tally low. One game of when you want them there. Masicka. You can chase me in that fast. I can't see me kill a blast of chop. Riches are closer, pass it up. Blood again, class it up.
So you hear it this song, you see me? Big play that it a get in a dance, you see it a get couple forward and thing already. Like we see how it gonna, yeah man, get next month or two, cause you don't know a summer, be a big event that come up, you see me? Whole heap a big party and things, so we're gonna see what go on there. So you see if it get a bigger reception than them event and them circle, Yeah man, so up now we're gonna check out the Kartel and the crew over there in Guyana and celebrate the recent success after the show, you see me? Yeah man, it's a good look, I'll check it out now.
Diplomatic community.
Ready?
Yes.
What started?
Riches.
Cheers.
To riches. What a journey. Putting that we see it on your feet.
Yeah, people, so a Kartel and the whole Gaza crew active, you see me? Yeah, man, they make a little small celebration toast, you see it? Successful show there in a Guyana. Yeah, man, it's a good look, very, very good look, yeah, man. So now we are check out Shenseea. We say on a road with Skilli, you see me? Yeah, man, they make a bad drink one night time. Come check it out now.
Show them for the day.
Alright family, so you see settings in the road, Shenseea and Skilli that big entourage roll out, you see it, yeah man, you see Bima, you see Dodge, you see me, you see all the Escalade on night time, yeah man, it's a full motorcade out, it's a good look, we love the energy of my world from where they to, you see it, you don't know the energy connect to, you see me, yeah man, good look. So now we are check out Areakode, new tune, Whisper, bad piece of song people, let me know what you think.
Only make any time for my bird ring. Stop cap on a bang for a virgin. Get a nice gold head, brain surgery. John, send off the food from early. Only make any time for my bird ring. Stop cap on a bang for a virgin. Summer just left Jersey. Mary got child. Move. Glory gas pedal. Maximum. No break. Black vaxi bus. Give me way. Watch me now, I'm so bad. tuxedo. Sit on for me name every day I whisper. Baby them big, we get the dribble out. 100 for a show, in a response. I coulda daddy, get the gift card. Fuck up the beat.
Action.
Chop a what? I came baller. Crystal swallow, my discharger. Current one a bit, fuck your discharger. Only man can I chance my bird. Stop cat, gonna bang.
Alright people, so Areakode that new song Whisper out now. You can check it out on him official channel. Yeah man, and bad tune man. Lyrics them a jump, lyrics them a bang. Rate rhythm too. Rhythm have a bounce to it, you know. Yeah man, it's a good look. Alright, so now we are shifting ball game to some current affairs. What you say in recent times, you know. Some man a try broke some shop and a try blighted some people future, you know. The wrong move and a no good move that. So see some police hold on the G and escort him out of the place, brawling. Take a look.
Stop their life. Stop their life. Stop their life. You can't be a phone in a city. I'm not calling for the answer.
boy a woman in my shop and turn on go broke, you know. 18,000 little boy a woman in my shop, you know.
You want to get so yard.
My pot ride, going up. What up, man? It's so fucked up.
No, you must say that. I don't know what can't be up for the
Man go, a real shop broke at this. Now go shopping.
Watch Magnum.
Magnum for days, man. Eat them. Boy, rocky people them shop. See people them silver pan them out there so. Good Moscato. With the fab for days. Boy go shopping. Boy go shopping.
Look at the man. Damn bro. You know that.
Never a true believer.
See where I'm going with this, you know, is a big wrong move that, you know, people. You see me, big turn off that, you know. Yeah, man, look how much goods man thief out that people them shop, man, a stocky mouse like a hurricane season start. Jano, people them good wonder how them think them a turn and a walk a go. Yeah, man, but it's a good move, so the police them all on him and put a stop to it, you know. So it's not really gonna further than that. Yeah, man, so now we're gonna segue over to our next clip with a lady stop some missionary. Yeah, man, she have some questions for them, man. Check it out.
Excuse me, when are you going home? When you guys going home?
I go home in like a year and a half from now.
Oh.
Long time.
Who are you guys? So you're not soon go back home?
No, not soon.
So when the family there, don't you?
No, they're in the States.
So what is school?
No, missionaries for our church. We come for 2 years to serve the Lord.
Oh, so they serve the Lord for 2 years, then what after that?
And we just go back and resume our lives.
Okay. So after that, you not talk to God again?
Yeah, we get somewhere every once in a while.
Oh.
It's very hot. What? You got cream for it? Every once in a while, but not very often.
Oh.
Probably should use it more. Yeah. It's hot out here. It's hot. You guys doing good though?
Yeah, man. Be safe. Thank you.
Alright, you guys have a
Yeah. Man, oh man.
Yeah, man, people say, yo, she a deal with them, you know. She a deal with them a bit strong, you know. Yeah, man, and nah, man, you see, she want them lift up. No. Yeah, man, like, you know, trust the missionary, them no time. Yeah, but when you come to think about it, you know, you wonder why you always see the missionaries in like third world countries or them type of places. You never really see no missionary in a Monaco or Luxembourg or the affluent country or just a walk up and down say them are, you know, complete now type of duty or no type of task or, you know, strange, very strange, yeah, man. But if you make it to the end of the vlog, we just want to big you up and want to shout out everybody for the support we get for the last set of video them. Yeah, man, we see the numbers and they look real crazy, man. We give thanks, you know. Huge respect to everybody who tune in and watch the video them. Yeah, man, big shout out, yeah, man. But we there same we are putting the effort, so we just continue the push, you know. Yeah, man, it's a good look. Respect again, people, for check out the channel, you know. Bless up.